Good morning to one and all. Myself Sindhu, studying in 3rd BTech. Today I am going to explain the treatment of watershed. Firstly, we have to know what is watershed. It is a hydrological unit that is resulting from runoff, from rainfall to runoff, and it is flowing to a common outlet. So this is known as watershed. Our main intention is to conserve both soil, water as well as vegetation. We have depicted here both hydrological as well as both land characteristics here. Firstly, this is known as a terrace farming. So if the slope is more than 30%, we are going to adopt, so we have to do agriculture here. So for this we are going to adopt a type of farming known as terrace farming. So in this terrace farming we have two types of terrace farming. One is outward slope and the other one is inward slope. The outward slope is the one in which the slope is facing outwards, while the inward slope is the one in which the slope is facing inwards. So if the slope is greater than 30%, we are going to adopt this type of farming. And if the slope is less than 8%, we have constructed here a structure known as contour stone bunds. These are the types of bunds which are mainly used to store the water. So the case here, we have constructed mainly in the form of stones. The reason we have constructed this is locally available and one of the most cheapest available. So we have constructed this contour stone bunds. So once the water comes from the terrace, it is going to enter the contour bunds, and once it is going to fill it, the excess water is draining in the form of wastewater. The structure we have constructed here is wastewater. The main important purpose is to discharge the water here, excess water from the contour stone bunds. From wasteware it is going to the farm pond. This from the wasteware, that is the excess water, again it is draining into the farm pond, the small farm pond here which we have created, and from this water is used for many other purposes like the well or some other things we are going to use it. From this it is going to come here and we have a structure known as double ring borewell recharge. So from this the excess water is flowing into the double ring well. So from this the groundwater is recharged and hence our borewells will get recharged. Coming into this is the drainage line treatment. This is all about the arable land where we can do the agricultural purposes. And coming here, this is a drainage line treatment. We have done it in the form of first order stream, second order stream as well as third order stream. In the first order stream, we have constructed a structure called as loose rock dam, logwood dam, etc. This loose rock dam is mainly constructed with the help of stones. The reason is that it will be more sustainable and there will be no erosion. We can control the erosion. Coming into second order stream, we have constructed gabion check dam, riprap revetment and nala embankment. In gabion check dam, this is one of the most suitable and best method to adopt for controlling the erosion. That is, it is mainly consisting of a mesh, as you can see here. Inside the mesh you have stones. So once when the water is coming from the upper valley, it is going to enter here. So as while it is flowing from upper stream to lower stream, there it is carrying a lot of silt along with it. So to control the silt and only excess passage of water, we have constructed this. So with the consecutive accumulation of silt over the couple of years, this will be so hard that we can grow a vegetation, and it is also a more powerful structure so that it cannot be damaged. And coming here from this gabion check dam, it is going to enter into a nala bund. This nala bund is a bund where the bunding which we create across the nala is known as nala bund. So this nala bund purpose is to recycle, restore the water. From this the excess water is again going to come into the weirs and again it is discharged into the third stream and then to the farm pond. Coming here, we have one more structure known as drop inlet spillway. This is one of the structure that is developed by a farmer named Mallangauda Nargal from Hungun Taluk. He has established or he has adapted this structure in his farm field. It is mainly consisting of the horizontal pipes that is enclosed below the this embankment, and this for the dischargement of the water he has put a structure known as riser through which the excess water is draining out into the farm pond. So for this achievement, our University of Agriculture Science Dharwad has awarded him a doctorate for this achievement. And coming here, this is now going to enter the farm pond, again farm pond to stream, stream to the tanks. Again coming here, we have constructed a many number of masonry check dams. The reason we have constructed many number of check dams is that one is for the storage of water, one is for recycling of water, and one is for the surface water drainage. And next we are coming here, we have this rock outcrop, we have this scrub land. In scrub land only the vegetation can be done, but there is no agriculture. And in the rock outcrop, as we know, in the more hilly areas there is a large number of movement of water. So to control this, we have created a structure known as a crescent bund, which is of a moon type crescent bund. So the reason is this, we can conserve the water for the forest trees. So by this we can conserve both soil and water. So we can control erosion also, we can save the water. And then coming here, after the crescent bund, again the water is flowing into the stream meandering.